We are back with yet another food trail where we explore the nooks, corners, and streets of Mira Bhayandar to discover the best food secrets. After receiving so many requests from our lovely followers to make a video on Mira Bhayandar, we are here to tell you, आपका इंतजार यहाँ खत्म हुआ. Here is our big list of delicious food delicacies from Mira Bhayandar. Straight from the streets of Kolkata, Kusum Rolls is known for its iconic Frankies and rolls. The tempting roll which you can see in the making is cheese mutton egg mayo roll, and trust us, every bite of it is a treat for your taste buds. Each and every roll at Kusum Rolls is absolutely delicious. We all have a way of enjoying our teas, but this is a specialty that you have to try. This lemon and pineapple infused tea has all the perfect ingredients to pleasantly surprise your taste buds and leave you refreshed and energized. If you are a chai lover and you are always ready to try a new flavor, this lemon and pineapple tea is your calling. A street-style pizza cannot be better than this. Salman Sandwich and Pizza is best known for their grand family pizza. And the highlight of this gigantic dish is their in-house yummylicious mayonnaise. The sweet and tangy flavors blend well with all of their toppings. If you love cheese, mayonnaise, pizza and everything awesome, your visit to Salman Sandwich and Pizza is going to be really delicious. Dosti Soda Gola. This coconut strawberry punch is one trending thing that you must try. On a hot summer day, come here to cool off with this cool, and definitely sipping on this coconut concoction will make you want to do the lungi dance. Rasoi Pav Bhaji. One of the best dishes of Mira Bhayandar is served here, none other than masala pav. You can say people come from far and wide to Mira Bhayandar for Rasoi Pav Bhaji's masala pav. The sheer pleasure of witnessing the making of this masala pav is enough to get your mouth watering. Good amount of cheese, the gamut of flavors, and an abundance of butter all add to this yummy delight. Muzamil Sigri is the perfect place to enjoy the Mughlai cuisine, and to be very specific, their mouth-watering rolls are something to die for. One of the best you could try here is the Seekh Kebab roll. It is so filling and satisfying, it will surely make you drool just by the sight of it. Muzamil Sigri is the best place for good food at the best prices. Street food adds charm to the streets of Mumbai, and we love exploring food secrets. Here is our list of best street food to try in Mira Bhayandar. And if this video made you drool, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Things to Do. And do let us know in the comment section about your thoughts.